Okay, so today we're unboxing the ROG Balteus. Is it Qi or Qi? Qi? Qi. Hello everyone, it's me again, Joey, and today we are going to take a closer look at the new ROG Mousepad. So what makes this different is that they've incorporated a wireless charging for a mouse and other devices that support key wireless charging. Okay, so it's not a small mousepad by any means. Let's just jump right into it. So it's a very big box. It's supposed to be very similar to what the original Balteus Qi is, and the previous one actually didn't have the wireless charging. So these are the main specifications. Not much going about it. So it's just a medium-sized mouse mat. There's a lighting mode button. So it has Aura Sync. It will sync with your Aura capable devices. It has a non-slip rubber base, a USB pass-through, so that what I would do is I would use my flare, put this one and connect it to the flare, and then put my mouse on the Balteus Qi. So it saves us from having to use too many USB ports on the keyboard, or sorry, on the ROG devices or PCs that you have itself. Okay, so just another look at the box itself. There's your RG logo, Aura Sync logo, and your Qi wireless charging logo. So unfortunately, I don't have a Qi wireless mouse to test with this, but we will use our wireless charging capable phone to see if it does work. So opening the box, you will see the cables up on the right side, the extra mouse charging cables over here, because you do need to power this device for the wireless charging to work. So let's bring out the cables first. Aside. Okay. So aside from that, we should have, here we go. So these are the warranty cards and the instructions, but for something as simple as this, there's not really much setup to go on with. And then of course, in ROG fashion, you do get your bundled sticker, so you can just put that on your PC or any of your devices. We don't suggest putting it on phones because it sort of chips away as you put it inside your pocket. So here it is. So for most mouse pads that come available in the market, they're usually rolled up, but this one is a hard surface with a non-slippery surface, so they couldn't really go with a small box. So putting up one automatically activates the RGB lighting on the sides, so it's pretty well lit in our area right now, so you're not gonna see it, but if you take a closer look, you can see. Okay, so this is supposed to give you that nice glow all around the surface. Okay, so this one is to power the wireless charging. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. Let's try to see if the wireless charging is working. Okay, so it is currently working. So the moment that you put it there, it detects it, and there's enough space for you to actually still glide your mouse, but the challenge would be it would be hitting your device. So we recommend that you untangle your cable so that it doesn't hit any of the surfaces, and that you can just pretty much use this bottom half of the case itself. Okay, so maybe you could also get a bungee type of device wherein you can just hang your mice and keep your cables neatly organized. Okay, so let's see how far. So wireless charging paused. So it seems that you do have to put the device here where the logo is at. So just to give you, see, so it charges right away. So this one retails for about $6,995. You'll see it first was $6,500 in some stores. We got it for about $6,500 in Gilmore. We paid for cash. It currently isn't being bundled or being sold in a lot of places right now. So I think it's a pretty niche product because a lot of people won't be buying mouse pads so that they can charge their phones. I mean, after all, charging your phones via cables is still much faster, but it's a pretty nifty device if you're into the whole minimalist setup. The problem is hiding all these cables, because now you're having to deal with a 2 USB setup for the device. You're having to power this in for the wireless charging, and you also have the cables of your keyboard and your mouse. Not to mention that your keyboard itself would use 2 USB pass-throughs if you're using an ROG Aura Sync enabled device. So we would actually suggest to go for a wireless mouse setup. ROG does not have any wireless keyboards as of the moment, but I think it's something that they would probably do in the long run, because with everybody going for the switch of faster wireless connections, or maybe Bluetooth 5.0, the latency between your device and your PC should become much less than it used to be. So with more and more devices adopting the 5.0 standard, we should see wireless gaming peripherals become mainstream in probably a few months, or at least within 2019. So one of the mice that ROG actually features with the Balteus Qi is the Gladius 2 wireless. So there you have it. This is the Balteus Qi. It's available for $6,995. It's a 1-year warranty in the Philippines, and it's something that we know a lot of users won't be getting, but it's something very nice to have if you have an all ROG ecosystem and an all Aura Sync system. So it is confirmed that the ROG Flare, the ROG Puvio, and the Balteus Qi does sync together. So if you have more peripherals that support Aura Sync, it will definitely do so. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.